Catherine will discuss later. So join your hands and close your eyes and start some Omkar thrice. Om. 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 Sairam children. So as we already decided earlier in previous class about today's presentation, so first presentation is of Vyom Nikra. So Vyom, open your mic and camera also. And now you can start your presentation. Over to you.
Okay, sir.
Sai Ram Pankti. Any problem, Vyom?
Sir, I'm trying.
Okay. Open your
Sir,
camera.
can you see it?
I am able to see you only, not the screen.
Sir, can you see the presentation?
No, no. First you start present now, then only it will start presenting. Click on the present now.
Sir, in my window it is showing.
Now is okay.
Sir, in my window
Yes,
it is showing that you are presenting your screen.
yes. Carry on. Carry on. Start, Vyom.
Modes of transfer of heat presented by Vyom Nikra. Modes. There are three modes of transfer of heat. First, conduction, second, convection, and third, radiation. First, we will study about conduction. Conduction occurs only in solids. In this process, molecules vibrate to transfer heat from hotter substances to cold substances. This is a video of transfer of heat by conduction. Now, the second topic is convection. It occurs in fluids, that is, liquid and gas. When the fluid is heated, it moves up. Then the cooler fluids come down and heated. Till then, the heated fluids cool down and come down and go up after heating again. Thus, the cycle continues. This is a video of how convection occurs. Next, we will move to radiation. The process of radiation does not require any medium. It can happen even in space. Now, we will study about difference between conduction, convection, and radiation. Our first basis is where it happens. Conduction happens in solids through molecular collisions, vibrations without actual flow of matter. Convection happens in fluids by actual flow of matter. Radiation can take place at large distances and does not heat the intervening medium. Our second basis is how it happens. Conduction is the transfer of heat by direct physical contact. Convection is the transfer of heat by the motion of fluids, and radiation is the transfer of heat by electromagnetic waves. Our third basis is why it happens. Conduction is due to temperature difference. Heat flows from high temperature region to low temperature region. In convection, Convection is due to difference in density. Heat flows from low density region to high density region. Radiation occurs from all bodies at temperature above 0 Kelvin. Our fourth basis is it is the process fast or slow? Conduction is a slow process. Convection is also a slow process, whereas radiation propagates at the speed of light. Our fifth and last basis is does it obeys laws of reflection and refraction? Conduction and convection both does not obey the laws of reflection and refraction, whereas radiation obeys the laws of reflection and refraction. Quick revise. Identify the modes of transfer of heat in the figure given below. Anyone of you can answer. So the answers are the first one is convection, second one is conduction, and the third one is radiation. Thank you.
Sir, your mic is mute, so your voice is not good.
Very good, very good. I hope you all understood what he explained. Very good, Vyom. Clap for Vyom, all of you. Very good. This is very good way to revise our previous topics. So every week, after few days, we will do this kind of revision. Okay. Now, Anumega, your turn. First, you explain which topic you are going to explain.
My topic is clothes used during winters and summers.
Okay, she is going to explain about the type of clothes that we have to wear during summer and in winter. Very good. Over to you, Anumega.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is showing some problem.
Yes, it is showing that Microsoft respect your privacy. Can you close this extra white, this showing on your slide?
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
Okay, you try it. Close it.
Types of clothes
Yes, it is
during winter and summer. Prepared by Anumega Paul, 7th A, roll number 8.
good.
Clothes during winter. Clothes during winter should be in dark color because it's a good conductor of heat and absorbs a huge amount of heat. We feel warm when we wear woolen clothes because air is trapped in between the layer of woolen fiber. This prevents the flow of heat from our body to the cold surroundings. Clothes during summer. We should wear light colored clothes uh, in summers because it reflects the heat and is a poor conductor of heat. They reflect most of the heat fallen on them. The light colored clothes that we wear during summer should be made of cotton. Comparison of clothes. Winter clothes. Wear dark colored clothes and woolen clothes. Summer clothes. Wear light colored cotton clothes. Winter clothes. It absorbs heat. Summer clothes. It reflects heat. Winter clothes. These clothes are made of wool. Summer clothes. These clothes are made of cotton. here it is showing the process of getting wool. First we wash the fleece, then we sort the different types of wool. Then we cut the wool, then we comb it. Spin the wool in yarn. Then ply the yarn. It is showing the process of getting cotton. First, fiber belts are blended. Then they are carded in a silver can. Then Then they are rolled into yarn. Thank you. Stay home, stay healthy, and stay safe.
Very good, Anumika. Uh, okay, clap for Anumika. Very good, excellent, beta. And what Anumika explained, it was all about the types of clothes that we should wear during the summer and winter. Not only clothes, type of food also matter. What type of food we have to eat during summer, during winter, as well as during this time of rainy season. So we have to choose our food, our clothes as per the season. Very good. And now is time for Lakshya Sharma. Lakshya, you can open your camera.
Yes, sir.
First, you explain what you are going to explain.
I'm going to explain about the thermometer. Sir, are you able to see it?
Yes, I am able to see it.
Yes, sir. Science Thermometer by Lakshya Sharma. What is a thermometer? Thermometer temperature is measured by a device called, and the diagram shows this is a digital thermometer, sir, which is used in nowadays. Sir, after this, clinical thermometer. The thermometer that measures a body temperature is called a clinical thermometer. This is a clinical thermometer, sir. After it, reading of a thermometer, sir. And sir, this is very important. So note the temperature difference situated between two bigger marks. Also note down the regions shown by smaller marks. Between these marks, suppose bigger marks. What's happening? Okay, sir. Marks, suppose the bigger marks read 1 degree and there are 5 divisions between them, then one small division can read 1 by 2. After this, so this is a proper diagram of reading of a thermometer.
Okay, very good.
So this is a scale which helps us to read the temperature which is measured by our body. And after this, sir, precautions to be observed while using a clinical thermometer. Thermometer should be washed before and after use, preferably with an antiseptic solution. Ensure that the mercury level is below 65 degrees Celsius. Read the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. Handle the thermometer with care. If it hits against any hard object, it can break. Don't hold a bulb of thermometer while reading. After that, normal temperature of a human body. Sir, in Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit, 97 degrees Fahrenheit. Sir, normal temperature of a human body. Sir, in Kelvin can be measured because its scales start from a higher point. Example, the sun temperature is this Kelvin.
Okay.
After laboratory thermometer, how do we measure the temperature of other objects? For this purpose, we have laboratory thermometer. Different types of thermometer. We know about clinical, laboratory, and digital thermometer. But there is one more thermometer which is maximum and minimum thermometer, which is used to measure the temperature of weather. So this is a diagram of maximum and minimum thermometer. After this, precautions to be taken while using a laboratory thermometer should be kept upright, not tilted. Bulb should be surrounded. कुछ गलत हो रहा है इसमें, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bulb should be surrounded with all sides by the substance of which temperature is to be measured. Questions for you, sir. Why does the mercury not fall? Questions for Suren, sir. Why does the mercury not fall or rise in a clinical thermometer when taken out of mouth? And what is the use of king? Anyone?
Who want to give answer? Ayan?
Sir, I Vyom.
1 minute, 1 minute, Vyom. Ayan, can you give first answer? Why does the mercury not fall or rise in a clinical thermometer when taken out of mouth? Okay, you don't know. You should know, Mr. Ayan. Anna, how many times I explained? This is not the answer. I don't know. Lokesh, can you tell me the answer? Okay, Catherine, you give answer.
Sir, because there is a kink.
Yes, and kink prevent the level of mercury fall down. And this is the answer. This is the answer of second question. What is the use of kink? Kink prevent the level of mercury fall down. Okay, now stop presenting. Is over, beta? Left?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
The more side.
Okay.
Sir, the last mercury, a narrow like thread which is used to show the temperature in thermometer called mercury. So this is a diagram. A proper diagram of thermometer. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, stop presenting.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, beta. Next, and one suggestion to all of you: when we make the slides, don't include sound, bombarding sound. You know? Okay. Soumya, are you ready? Arus is asking. Arus, what Arus is asking? Is pyrometer a thermometer? What is pyrometer? What is pyrometer?
Sir, can I, Aditya? Aditya?
Yes, Aditya.
Thermometer.
Sir, pyrometer is a type of thermometer, but it's different from a normal thermometer. Sense the can measure the temperature of any object, even it's far from it. It's
Okay.
a remote sensing thermometer.
And its speed is also fast to get the result. Okay. Very good, Aditya. So Soumya is not
we
ready.
can call pyrometer as that is what we say that gun like I forgot the name.
Yeah. Thermal sensing thermometer.
Yes, sir.
Thermal
I
scanning.
forgot.
Yes, yes. Okay. So those who want to explain more from any other chapter can tell me. Okay. I will give you opportunity to share your experience, to share your presentation also. So who will give presentation next time will decide on coming Tuesday. Okay. Now what we were discussing on previous day, it was all about the acid, bases and salt. Yes, it was acid, bases and salts. Can anybody tell me the natural indicator? Name some natural indicators.
Turmeric,
Turmeric.
China rose,
litmus,
and
red
Christmas.
Turmeric.
cabbage
Yes,
juice,
yes.
China rose petals.
I asked you. I asked you on that day if if you perform any activity, you can show me. So please open your camera.
Done, sir.
Catherine said she tried but failed to do it. Catherine, what you did better?
Sir, I put the hibiscus in the boiling water.
Okay. Then,
Then the color of the water was not changed.
okay. Arpita is, I will come to your point later. Mute your mic, Laksh. Arpita is showing. Okay. Yes, Arpita. You made, what is
Yes,
this?
sir.
Arpita, what is this data?
सर ये गणेश जी का चेहरा है.
ओके नहीं गणेश जी का चेहरा है वो तो बढ़िया है यू यूज टर्मरिक इंडिकेटर
Yes, sir.
turmeric and then soap solution you make this drawing.
Yes, sir.
Excellent, very good Arpita. Yes, anybody who want to show what you did? अग्रिमा दीदी
सर ट्राई किया था पर वो उसमें बना नहीं उसमें कलर नहीं आया.
किसमें ट्राई किया था?
सर टर्मरिक में जैसे आपने बताया था उस सबसे पहले पेस्ट सॉल्यूशन बनाना उसका फिर उसको अप्लाई करना फिर सोप सॉल्यूशन से कुछ बनाना पर वो जब सोप सॉल्यूशन पे आई तो फिर उसका कलर ही नहीं आया था.
ओ माय गॉड ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. यस अर्पिता यू वांट टू से समथिंग यू कैन.
सर जब मैंने भी फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई किया तो नहीं हुआ पर मेरी मदर ने बोला कि जब आप ज्यादा लेयर करोगे टर्मरिक का और सोप का भी थोड़ा गाढ़ा लेयर होगा तब आपका जाके वो अच्छा कलर आएगा.
यस दैट पेस्ट शुड बी थिक. हाँ यस लोकेश.
देखिए मैंने बनाया है सर.
हाँ,
मैंने सोप सॉल्यूशन से किया था तो उससे नहीं हुआ पर मेरी नानी ने तो ये चूने से करके देख रहा हूँ तो ये चूने से रेड कलर हो रहा है.
हाँ वो होगा बेटा. चूना इस क्या होता है चूना बेस. तो जो सोप का भी बेस होता है और लाइन चूना में भी बेस होता है. तो बहुत सही किया. आपकी नानी को साइंस ज्यादा अच्छे से आती है. वेरी गुड लोकेश. आपके लिए भी और आपकी नानी जी के लिए भी क्लैप. म्यूट योर माइक लोकेश. म्यूट योर माइक. Vyom, you want to show something?
Yes, sir. Sir, I took window cleaner and I boiled the China rose petals and add to it. When I added it, it became green.
Okay, very good. So we are unable to see properly because of your background and all these things, and it is unable. So it turns green.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
And sir, when I added vinegar to it, it became magenta.
Ah, okay. Yes, Laksh want to show something. A greeting card made by Laksh. Very good. He writes his own name. Yes, very good, Laksh. Yes, anybody wants to show?
Sir, and I have done with the sir, the red from the red rose also. I have
Yeah.
mixed it in the sanitizer and the color changes into red. No, sir,
Okay,
it's
okay.
purple.
Last so
Purple, sir.
Your voice is not clear. Repeat, Laksh,
Yes,
what you want to repeat again.
yes, sir. Sir, I add the red rose paste in the sanitizer and the color changes into purple, sir.
Okay, okay. So we can reach a conclusion with the mute your mic, Laksh. Okay, very good. So you feel good when you perform activity, doesn't matter you got succeed or not. Catherine, now you can tell me your problem, what you did and could not get the proper result. Catherine,
Sir, first I boil the water and then put the hibiscus. It doesn't change the color.
I think how much water you took?
Sir, a bowl.
Okay, there may be more dilution. Better to take a cup of water and add lots of hibiscus, China rose petals in it. Then definitely it will release its color and you will get the extract solution of hibiscus. Then you can perform the acid and basis indicator. Okay,
Yes,
beta?
sir.
Good, beta. I would like to see the face of Amabhor, Arush, and Aditya. Open your camera. Arush, Ame, what you did? Adit camera. Amabhor, it did not work. Open your camera. I would like to see you. Mute your mic, Arush. Where is Amabhor? Amabhor. What are you doing? Adit, you did any experiment?
Sir, I did that thing which you told us at last class. So I did that experiment, but I failed.
Which experiment you did?
Sir, that soap solution one.
So
I took China rose petals and boiled in water, but it doesn't change its color.
release its color, then China rose solution will act as indicator. उसमें कुछ डाला था आपने उसके बाद एसिड बेस?
नो सर, मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने पानी के साथ उसको बॉईल किया था, पर नहीं हो पाया मेरा। मैंने कुछ भी नहीं।
नहीं, आपने पानी कितना लिया था?
एक बाउल।
नहीं, होना चाहिए। आरुष, आपने क्या किया अभी तक? म्यूट योर माइक, आदित्य.
Sir, at first I took some turmeric and then I added 2 to 3 teaspoons of water in to make the turmeric paste. Then I made some soap solution and applied to it, but it did not change its color.
Try to do again. So, Amer and all. Yes, Sanika is showing something. Happy Raksha Bandhan, Sanika. Very good. Thank you and same to you. Happy Raksha Bandhan. So, Sanika, explain your experiment or whatever you did. Unmute your mic and tell something about it.
Sir, first I take turmeric paste and a card. Then I apply the turmeric paste in this card, and then sir, I take some soap solution, a thick soap solution. Then I paint it.
Okay. So, as you paint over it, its yellow color change into red.
Yes, sir.
And you made this beautiful Raksha Bandhan greeting card.
Yes, sir.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Very good. Any other student want to show what he or she did? Nitesh, Meena, Pankti, you did any? बेटा आपने कुछ किया? बेटा आपने कुछ किया था? करके देखा था?
नो सर, नो
हाँ,
सर, मैंने नहीं देखा।
नहीं तो करके देखो बेटा। है
ओके सर।
हाँ, म्यूट योर माइक। राम पाराशर, राम।
Sir, I did, but it is failed.
No problem, do it again. Ram, Roshni, so do experiment, what we can't go to laboratory right now in the school, but everything is available in our garden, in the kitchen, so we can do all these things properly. One thing I would like to tell you, your kitchen, look at me, look in front, Laksh, stop doing any other work. Everybody. Sarakshi also did it, but it got failed. No problem. Failure is the key to success. Once you fail, then definitely. Yogita, okay. When you watch, when you observe kitchen. अच्छा, आप लोग सभी किचन में तो जाते हैं ना?
Yes.
कब जाते हैं किचन में? जब भूख लगती है तब जाते हैं, है ना? तो कई बार जब मम्मी खाना बनाती है तब भी हम दूर से देखते रहते हैं। यस, हमारी किचन एक बहुत बड़ी लेबोरेटरी है कि नहीं है? बहुत सारे मसाले यूज होते हैं, बहुत सारे टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा रहता है, और ये सब क्यों किया जाता है? बहुत सारे, आप अगर अपने घर में देखेंगे कि केमिकल रिएक्शन के बारे में बहुत सारे लोग वैसे ही जानते हैं। आपको ये बताया जाता है कि बिटर गार्ड एंड कर्ड दोनों को एक साथ मिला के नहीं खाना चाहिए, बिकॉज ऑफ हार्मफुल केमिकल रिएक्शन होती है। तो यहाँ पर आप देखते हैं, आपके यहाँ सभी के यहाँ रेडी पिकल्स तैयार किया जाता है। यस, and that pickles your mother stored in which type of vessel? किस बर्तन में पिकल रखती हैं?
Airtight.
ग्लास बर्नर।
ग्लास सर, कांच के डब्बे में।
बता सकता है कोई मुझे?
Airtight.
अनुमेघा?
सर ग्लास के डब्बे में।
Sir, airtight bottles.
ग्लास, ओके, वेरी गुड। सो इस टाइप के, अच्छा कभी आपने सोचा है कि ये जो कॉपर का कंटेनर होता है उसमें क्यों नहीं पिकल रख दिया जाता? क्या होगा अगर उस पर पिकल रख दिया जाएगा? तो कॉपर में क्यों नहीं रखा जाता? कॉपर में क्यों नहीं रखा जाता पिकल? यस लक्ष्य?
नथिंग सर।
कॉपर में अगर हम रखते हैं पिकल्स को तो केमिकल रिएक्शन होगा। यस यस,
सर उसमें टाइटेनिक तरह का एसिड रहता है सर, जब कॉपर से रिएक्ट करते तो वो हार्मफुल सब्सटेंस बन जाता है।
वो हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज करेगा और हाइड्रोजन गैस उस पिकल को स्पॉइल कर देगा। तो कहीं ना कहीं हम ये देखते हैं कि अच्छा, जो ड्राई सब्सटेंस रहते हैं, आप मैंगो खरीद के लाते हैं और मैंगो को कई बार हम स्लाइस करके काट के उसको सन ड्राई कर लेते हैं, धूप में सुखा लेते हैं, उसको हम कॉपर में उसको हम कैसे भी स्टोर कर सकते हैं। लेकिन जब वो वेट होगा, जब उसमें मॉइस्चर होगा, तब उससे साथ मेटल की रिएक्शन हो जाती है। तो बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो आप हमारे किचन में जो हो रहा है उसको समझ सकते हैं। हमारे पास अभी 5 मिनट्स हैं, मैं कोशिश करूंगा आपको कुछ दिखाने के लिए जो हमने उस दिन देख रहे थे। नेचुरल इंडिकेटर्स के बारे में हम देख रहे थे, आज हम फिर से उसके कुछ स्लाइड देखेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे पास ओनली 5 मिनट्स आर देयर। Okay, I am presenting you something. Anumega, you are able to see?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Indicators. An indicator is a chemical substance used in small quantities in titrations and volumetric analysis to determine the equivalence point or end point based on a significant change in color. Indicators will be very sensitive to certain changes in the conditions with regard to chemicals, their pH, or their oxidation states. Depending on their use, indicators may be one of several types. When indicators change their color with respect to the change in pH values, they are known as either pH indicators or acid-base indicators.
We have to keep acid-base indicator.
A pH indicator is a weak acid or weak base, and color changes are displayed over a range of hydrogen ion concentrations. This range is the color change interval and is expressed as a pH range. These indicators are used in acid-base titrations to determine the equivalence point or end point. Let's look at a few examples of these indicators. Thymol blue has a pH range for color change of 1.2 to 2.8.
Many terms are not in your syllabus. Just focus on understanding what happens when one indicator is added to acidic or basic substance.
In acid solutions, it will display the color red, and in basic solutions, the color yellow. Methyl orange has a slightly higher pH range of 3.1 to 4.4. In acid solutions, it turns red, and in basic solutions, it turns orange-yellow.
Good.
Phenolphthalein, with its pH range of 8.3 to 10.0, will be colorless in acid solutions, but in basic solutions, it will turn a reddish-violet color. When indicators change their color at a specific potential difference, those indicators are known as redox indicators or oxidation reduction indicators.
This is not in our syllabus about the oxidation and reduction indicators. Don't think much about it. So we'll not discuss pH scale right now. There is a proper range. One thing that I want to know from all of you, that please keep how natural indicators, litmus, China rose and turmeric, change its color with acidic substance and basic substance. And second thing, phenolphthalein, that is synthetic indicator, how it change its color with acidic or basic substance. Okay, we'll continue more on coming classes. So, ready for Santi part? Oh. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram, children.